Welcome back to RooseTube. In my previous videos, we learned about the different modes of nutrition in living beings and Holozoic nutrition in amoeba and paramecium. This video explains Holozoic nutrition in human beings. So as the complexity of organisms increases, different parts become specialized to perform different functions. Now, different organisms having Holozoic nutrition also have different food habits. Like some are herbivores and other are carnivores and insectivores and so on. Now, different food habits result in difference in their digestive systems also, and so it is quite obvious that the internal processing of food should also be different in all these organisms. But in spite of these variant forms, in all these organisms having Holozoic nutrition, energy is derived in the same four stages: ingestion, digestion, absorption, and assimilation. And finally, the undigested food is thrown out, that is egestion. So let's have a brief idea of all of these. First of all, ingestion. Ingestion takes place by intake of complex food material made up of polymeric molecules like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, followed by digestion or breakdown of complex molecules like carbohydrates, proteins, fats into shorter chains and further into monomers. Now, this digested food molecules are then absorbed in the small intestine. That means the digested food particles, they pass into the bloodstream like it's happening here. These particles are crossing the wall of the intestine and they are passing into the bloodstream. So if you consider this blue cylinder on the right hand side as our digestive system, then the digested nutrients or digested food particles, they pass through the wall of the small intestine and they move into the bloodstream, where blood flows and carries these particles to all the body cells. Inside the body cells, energy is produced which is utilized for various cellular activities, and this step is called assimilation, conversion of absorbed nutrients into energy which takes place inside the cell, and so it is also called cellular respiration. And at the last, egestion, removal of all undigested food from the cells, from the body. So all these 5 steps are common in all the organisms following Holozoic nutrition. However, we shall see the internal processing of food in human beings only in the next part of this video. And to stay updated, subscribe my channel RooseTube.